Welcome back, this is me, you're watching my YouTube channel. So today in this video we'll talk about how much YouTube pay in Netherlands. Dutch YouTuber. So this video is only for Dutch YouTuber who want to sell it, who want to earn money online from YouTube, and how much YouTube pay them as a Dutch YouTuber in Netherlands, especially in Germany. So this video is only for us YouTubers. So this is a very interesting video for you. Before starting this video, I'm request please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like my videos and share with your friends, because in this video I'll give you totally information step by step with pro. So let's get started. So first of all, YouTube pay and a Dutch YouTuber almost for content, what kind of content you are uploading on YouTube channel, what kind of category or what kind of your niche on your YouTube channel. If you have no business or finance channel, so you can get 14 euros per 1k views. It's type of a category, what kind of content you are creating on YouTube channel and you're uploading on the YouTube channel especially. So first of all, I'll mention here, if you are creating content on the business type or the website developer, web developer and website developer, application developer and your software developer, so you can generate a lot of money from these, especially because the Dutch advertiser are especially and pay to the YouTubers, I think, for advertisement, and I think it's January, but not in January and December, not February, but in all season they pay. I think you can generate a lot of money from these platforms, from these niches like the Wix website, online business, Shopify. If you are creating like content like that, you are able to earn a lot of money from the YouTube, especially if you are content like in the music or the blogging or an other type of content. So you can generate a lot of money from these content like that. So in mandatory and Germany as well as Ireland and Netherlands especially, the Dutch YouTubers can get a revenue from YouTube almost from 7 euros, and from the highly content like finance, business, e-commerce and website development, they can generate a lot of money from 40 euros per 1000 views. So this was information which I will give you in this one video. So I hope you like that and share with your friends. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in next video.